There comes a moment in your life when you realize no one is coming to save you. It's you versus the excuses. And today, there was a boy named Daniel. Quiet, smart, full of potential, but stuck. Every day he woke up tired. He knew what he needed to do, but something held him back. Laziness. Not the loud kind. The quiet kind. The kind that whispers, "You can do it later." Daniel would plan his goals. Start strong, then stop. He felt ashamed. He felt like time was moving, and he wasn't. One day, his teacher said something that hit him deep. She said, "The future is watching you. Which version of you will show up?" Those words broke him open. He went home and stared at his unfinished work. And for the first time, he didn't feel lazy. He felt angry. Angry at the wasted time. Angry at the smaller version of himself he kept choosing. That night he made a small one. Tomorrow, I will win the first 10 minutes of my day. Not the whole day. Not the whole week. Just 10 minutes. The next morning, Daniel woke up. Still tired. Still tempted. But he remembered the promise. 10 minutes. That's all. He got up. He worked. He didn't stop. And when the timer ended, something changed. He felt proud. A tiny victory. But it mattered. The next day he did 10 minutes again. Then 15. Then 20. Slowly, the lazy version of Daniel started losing. The stronger version started winning. He began finishing tasks. He started seeing progress. His confidence grew. And one day, he looked in the mirror and said, "I don't chase motivation anymore. I build discipline." Laziness isn't a monster. It's a habit. And habits break when small wins stack up. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Start with 10 minutes. Start with one task. Start with one promise to yourself. Because the moment you choose action, laziness loses its power. If this story touched you, if you're tired of holding yourself back, then today is your day. Start your first 10 minutes right after this video. And if you want more motivational videos like this, hit subscribe, drop a "I'm ready" in the comments. And let's grow together. You are stronger than your excuses. Now prove it.